Hello friends, I hope all are doing well. Welcome to RS Home Tutor. We are in 5.3 exercise, solving the question number 4 in quadratic equations. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. So we are talking about here only one person, that is Rahman. So I will take present age of Rahman. Present age of Rahman. Rahman's. That is, I am taking it as X years. Now, so the Rahman's age is 3 years ago. 3 years ago. So in 3 years ago, what happens? His age will be decrease or increase? So 3 years ago, Rahman's age is, it becomes X minus 3. Ago means just move back. He is very angered. Now 5 years from now, take 5 years from now. So now means it indicates the present age. So present age is already we declared it as X. 5 years from now means his age becomes X plus 5. So this is the first thing we should understand. What do you mean by ago and some years from now? So this is the literal meaning of this sum. Then, as you know that what is reciprocal? So reciprocal means A's reciprocal is 1/A and 1/B's reciprocal is B. You already know this concept. So sum of the reciprocals. If I take the reciprocals of 3 years ago, this becomes X minus 3 plus why I am adding? He has given that sum. And reciprocal of 5 years from now is X plus 5 is equal to, according to the sum he has given the value as 1/3. So this is equal to 1/3. As simple as that. In the instructions, in the question, he has clearly mentioned that take reciprocals of 3 years ago age as well as 5 years ago age, add it, and both are is equal to 1/3. So this is according to the problem. So according to the problem, what he has given the data. Now if you simplify this, you will get the answer. So let me start. As you know that how to simplify. So take cross multiplication. This part will go that side. This denominator will go to the numerator. And first I will write that words. X plus 5 plus X minus 3 whole by. So these two denominators again it multiplies. X minus 3 into X plus 5. That is equal to 1/3. As simple as that, cross multiply and the denominators again you have to multiply that into that. So here if I write 2x, so I can add this and I will get plus 2. So this is plus 2 by multiplication. X into x, x square, x with 5, 5x, and minus 3 with x minus 3x, minus 3 with plus 5, that is minus 15, is equal to 1 by 3. Now we'll go further and we'll simplify it. If I cross multiply this, so 3 with this whole binomial, so what will get? 6x plus 6, 3 into 2 and 3 into 2, that is equal to 1 with this one is same thing, so you'll get it as x square, and this becomes plus 2x minus 15, so this with 1, so same thing you will get it. Now all these terms if I take to that side, so 0 is equal to x square minus 4x. Why minus 4x? Minus 6 and plus 2, minus 4x plus 6 becomes minus 6, minus 6 and minus 15, that is total is 21. So once you check, be careful, you take transposition and after you simplify you get the same answer. So I got the quadratic equation. If I solve this quadratic equation, so I will get the value of x. So we assume that the value of x is the present age of Rahman's. So we'll go further. So x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. As you know that how to solve the quadratic equation, I am taking x square coefficient with the constant, that is 1 with minus 21. Minus 21, the factors of 21 is 1 21s are, so 3 7s are. So we are getting only 2 pairs, not more than this. Now the conditions are the product should be minus 21 and the sum should be minus 4. So based on these two conditions, which satisfies, we have to take that pair. If clearly 21 minus 1 20, and if I add 22, so this pair doesn't work out. Add it, you will get 10, subtract it, you will get 4. Yes, you are getting a 4 here. So by some modifications we'll move further. So if I take minus 7 here, 3 minus 7, 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Yes, condition satisfies. 3 into minus 7, that is 21. So two conditions satisfies. I can use this pair. So if I use this, x square plus 3x minus 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. Only this term is splitting. So I copied C in x square, and 21 I copied C. Only the middle term it split as in this way. So in the first two terms I can take x common. So x plus 3. If I take minus 7 common, so we'll left out with x, and this is plus 3. Further you can cross multiply, cross check, x into x, x square, x into 3x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus 7 into 3, minus 21. Better you can cross check. So we have two terms here, it is differentiated with minus. So what I can take common? So x plus 3 is common in both the terms. If I take x plus 3, so what is left out? The first term and second term, x minus 7, that is equal to 0. If a into b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 7. So anyhow, A's cannot be negative, so we'll discard this one. So what is the final answer? We got it as Rahman says is X. So this is all about the sum. So we started from here and we got ultimately in this way. So this is all about the sum. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any queries, please leave your comments on. Thank you very much.